Hello my viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to Daegwallyeong sheep farm. It is in the northern part of South Korea. We are almost there. We need to get the ticket to enter the farm. We are in the queue to get the tickets. Look at the cute sheep! Let's go see the entire farm. It's so beautiful. We came here when I was so young, but I don't remember it. It's a very big farm with lots and lots of sheep. This place is a little colder than the other places of Korea. It's a privately owned ranch. There are many ranches in Pyeongchang. This is one among them. Let's climb up the hill to see more sheep. Look at the beautiful scenery, it's so beautiful. We can see many ranches nearby here. We are visiting one more if we have enough time. Look at all these sheep, they're so cute. There are many people here to see the sheep. We can feed the sheep here. Let's go and feed the sheep. This is where the cattle sheds are located. We got 2 baskets of grass to feed the sheep. It is really interesting to feed the sheep, and sometimes it licks my hand. Now we are going to another ranch called Sky Ranch. This is the place where you can ride around in a tractor to see the whole place. This farm is also beautiful like the other one. Look at that tractor. We can ride around in that tractor and it's pretty cool. Here we can see sheep, goats, horses and so much more. Look at those goats. Here we are gonna feed the baby sheep. We can go inside their cages too. It was quite interesting even though they still lick our hands. Now we are going to ride the tractor. This place is so big, we need something to ride on if we want to see the whole place. It's super nice to ride on this tractor, even if it's super loud. Look way over there. Look at those horses. We are climbing up a hill, and there's something interesting on the top. See, we are nearing the top. Look, the climate is changing and it's becoming a little cold, a little too cold. We got to the top. All the passengers are leaving and it is super cold. I put my hands in the pocket. It's super cold. Look way over there. It's a huge bench. People started taking photos there. We also took some photos. Riding back down, I felt a lot better because it started becoming warmer. It was super cold. Hope you enjoyed our farm visit. If you want to see more places in Korea, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our Instagram. Bye!